and salutations, my fellow BNI networkers, esteemed colleagues, and invited friends. Prepare yourself for a journey into the world of finance with a true superhero who definitely makes sense of the dollars and cents for businesses everywhere. Beginning her adventures in the high stakes environment of a Silicon Valley startup, she masterfully kept the financial engines running smoothly as the company soared to new heights. Now, let's give a thunderous welcome to the champion of clarity in the complex world of bookkeeping, Dina Yerex of Accord Bookkeeping. Beyond the numbers, Dina is a passionate explorer of life's riches. Her interests range from the serenity of weaving and soap making to the thrill of learning about medicinal herbs. Each hobby not only enriches her personal life, but also enhances her profound connection to history and tradition. Whether she's in her full-time RV discovering new landscapes or delving into the world of vintage homes and clothing, Dina embodies a spirit of adventure and a deep appreciation for the past. Now fully focused on her bookkeeping business, Dina is on a mission to scale new heights. Armed with her ledger and laptop in her mobile command center, she is setting out to expand her team remotely, ensuring that businesses far and wide can benefit from her extraordinary financial acumen. Join me in welcoming the invincible, the indomitable Dina Yerex, your financial superhero. Dina, the floor is yours. I will give you a 2-minute warning.
Okay, thank you so much, Thomas. I am going to try to share here and let's hope this works. So, can you see my my screen? Yes. Okay, fantastic. Wow, that introduction is a hard act to follow, but I am here to talk to you about taking your business from chaos to clarity through bookkeeping for your business development. And so, as Thomas mentioned, yes, I am a full-time traveler. No, this is not a virtual background. And so my partner Bill and I, we started with a 13-foot scamp and enjoyed tucking it into the Mount Hood National Forest on the weekends. And recently we went full-time in our 28-foot Airstream. This is us on the coast last summer. And our fellow traveler here is Sylvester, our 10-and-a-half-year-old pit bull mix that we've had for 3 years. He is a wonderful companion. So that is me. And why have I formed Accord Bookkeeping? Well, the official answer has to do with that history of small business ownership. That's how I learned bookkeeping and financial reporting. And I've used my bookkeeping skills even as I became a therapist for the past 17 years. I kept up my bookkeeping skills by serving nonprofit organizations and by doing the bookkeeping for my practice. So I have morphed my personal mission of helping others from being a counselor to helping small businesses understand their financial situation. However, that's the official answer. The real answer was hit upon by one of you when you said to me in jest that I'm a little weird. And it's true. It's definitely a thing. My brain loves doing all of the detailed work of bookkeeping. Most people's brains are like, no, thank you. My brain is like, yes, please. So that is why I'm a bookkeeper. Now you know the truth. Here are my qualifications: years of experience, more than I care to admit. Pro advisor for QuickBooks Online, which is the only platform I use at this time. And I'm a member of the American Institute of Professional Bookkeepers to stay informed about developments. So a big question that a lot of people ask me is, what kind of a accounting professional do I need as I'm starting my business, as I'm building my business? What is it that is going to serve me well? And so I have a series of questions for you to ask, either yourselves or the person you are considering giving a referral to. First of all, are the books accurate, complete, current, and is somebody keeping them that way? Because if not, you need a bookkeeper to help you keep those up to date and clear and giving you the information you need. So then the second question is, am I getting the information I need to make business decisions? And if not, you probably need a bookkeeper if you're a small business. If you're getting a little bit larger, you may need an accountant. So bookkeepers can often help you with some of those accounting functions like cash flow management, like your basic financial statements, understanding those, like tracking your key performance indicators. So often bookkeepers can help your small business do those functions. The last question you need to ask is, have I done my tax planning? And are my taxes current? And if the answer is no, then you need a CPA like our very own Levi Collins. So why hire a professional bookkeeper? Well, our main mission is taking the chaos that we often find small business books in to that clarity that business owners need. So the first function we serve is making sure that your books are ready at tax time, making that easy for you, less stress, because a lot of people hear tax time and it's like, oh, bookkeepers are here to be taking care of things throughout the year to make sure that tax time goes smoothly for you. The second thing we do is we provide complete, accurate, and timely financial information for you that gives you the ins and outs of what's going on financially with your business. So that means we are helping you to understand your business's financial health. If you don't know what those financial statements, your profit and loss, your balance statement, what those mean for your business and what's behind those numbers that are there, we're here to help you understand that. We're here to help you prevent costly errors, things like overpayments, underpayments, failure to pay. So we're going to help make sure you're not paying the same bill twice. We're going to help you make sure that if there are liabilities accruing, that there's payments planned for those. And we're here to help you make sure that you have the pieces you need in place for your business. Like if you need to pay sales tax, we're here to help you see what you might need to be doing. So we're here to give you peace of mind the books are being managed. The next piece, though, is really important. As you develop your business, you're going to need the books to be clean and clear and available for those reports. So say you're working with our very own David Figure Eight, applying for some business financing. Maybe you need some new equipment. Maybe you need a line of credit for cash flow. David's going to need your financial statements. Say you're talking to Levi about your business tax planning or Greg about your personal tax planning. They're going to need your financial statements. Say you're talking to Ryan Myers about preparing an exit strategy. He's going to need your financial statements. So bookkeepers are here to be ready with the financial information that you need when you need it. But I often hear, well, I can do this myself. I mean, after all, it's not rocket science. True story. That's how I got started in bookkeeping. I was part of a 3-person team and the other 2 people didn't like to balance their checkbook. I did. So yes, you could learn bookkeeping. However, business owner time is best spent working on the business, not on learning tasks like bookkeeping and QuickBooks Online. Often, if business owners are doing their own bookkeeping, they fall behind. There isn't enough time to complete these tasks on a regular basis. And if you're not doing bookkeeping all day, every day, steps can easily be missed, leading to incomplete or inaccurate books. So if you're going to hire a bookkeeper, why Accord? Well, first of all, I provide a complimentary QuickBooks Online review. And the nice thing is I've been a therapist for 20 years, so pretty much there is nothing under the sun that surprises me anymore. So I am not going to be there to judge you and your books. I am just going to be there to help you look at what's going on and what is needed to get those books current. I provide expert QuickBooks Online cleanups and catch-ups, and I do that at the transaction level. So what that means is that I am going through every transaction in the cleanup period, getting that as accurate as possible with the information available so that your month-to-month financial data is as accurate as possible. And that is different from your CPA going in and doing year-end adjustments, which can also work for tax season, but if you want your books clean and clear, I am here to help. I provide service levels to meet your needs. So everything from, hey, I just want you to polish up my books at the end of each month, to, hey, I just want you to do the bookkeeping, and I don't even want to know that you're there until it's time to talk about the books. I provide a flexible program where the base price covers the basic services, and then anything you want on top of that, I am able to do that with our current contract without having long negotiations or signing additional paperwork. I partner with your business by holding regular reviews to make sure that I'm meeting your needs. And I also partner with your CPA by creating custom workflows to make sure I'm giving them your information at tax time in a way that makes it fast for them to prepare your return to get that done on time. Finally, I keep a digital archive of your source documents maintained for you so that that is your package of here is the documentation showing what went into my books. So for your bookkeeping needs, please contact me at Accord Bookkeeping. There's my email and my phone number. Feel free to call me anytime. Thank you so much.